we're making Pina Coladas. Woohoo! Pool day, yay! It's a hot one out there today, and we're making Pina Coladas, woohoo! And what goes better with a pool day? Pina Coladas. We're making a 3-ingredient Pina Colada that you can keep on hand all summer long, woohoo! Sometimes going in the pool can happen at the last minute. So many things come into play: the weather, company, your mood. So it's important that you have all these ingredients on hand so there's no excuses. Only 3 ingredients that stays in your freezer and your pantry. And rum, you keep in your liquor cabinet or under your bed, wherever you keep your liquor. If you're using Pina Colada pre-mix that you bought at the store, stop it right now and shame on you. Let's make it together. I'll show you how easy it is. Come on. But before we get started, if you're here and you're not subscribed, shame on you. No, I'm just joking. But no, really, please subscribe. It'll help me out so much. And hit that bell so that you know when I upload a new video. Okay, with that being said, let's get started. Keeping these 3 ingredients on hand at all times is a must. Be sure to watch the whole video and see what you could add at the end to make it extra special. Okay, and here we go. Mix all 3 ingredients in a blender. I use a Vitamix from the freezer, frozen pineapple chunks. Whether you prepare and cut up pineapples and freeze them yourself, or you can buy it already frozen like this. Here I'm using 3 10-ounce bags. Whichever you choose, just make sure that it's frozen, because this will take the place of ice. Do not use ice, that would water it down. 1 1/3 cup coconut milk. In this case, I like coconut milk in a can so that I can keep it in my pantry and I will always have it on hand. 2/3 cup of white rum. And on frozen setting, blend all 3 ingredients. If it ends up too thick, don't add water. Add pineapple juice. Organic would be best, but I couldn't find any this time. You can add coconut cream if you want it more creamy. You can play around with them, but most of the time, if I end up needing anything, it might be just a little juice. And now for the finishing touches to make it extra special. First step, garnish with maraschino cherries and pineapple. I like using these reusable stir sticks. These are great, especially with the pointed end. It's very helpful. Links in the description coming soon. I like using fresh pineapple pieces and alternating between them and maraschino cherries. But of course, if you only have the jarred cherries in your pantry, just use them. Pierce them all lined up on the stick. Use whatever you have. Yummy! And you need an umbrella. I mean, how could you not? There's different kinds. There's big ones that cover the opening of your drink to help keep out flying bugs. Ugh, yuck. And cute little ones attached to straws like this. So cute and fancy. And dark rum. Top it off with a floater. A little or a lot. Yay! So pretty. Oh, look, it's perfect. Heaven. Oh, and about stemware by the pool, listen. I'm always using my fine china and crystal. And even when I'm having extra large parties, I have commercial restaurant quality glass by the case because I hate drinking out of plastic glasses. But what I would hate more is broken glass by the poolside. No glass by the pool. So this is my one exception. Just please make sure that it's high quality, that you can't tell the difference by the look and the feel. I will soon eventually share all my favorites with you guys. So keep a lookout for links in this description. And there you have it, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up or share this with someone that you're hoping they will make this pina colada for you. And also let me know in the comments what's your favorite go-to drink by the poolside. Make sure you subscribe, guys, and see you on my next video. Bye.